What's up guys, today I'm going to show you 3 camping water bottles. Let's see what I got. The reason why I call them camping water bottle, check this out. This is collapsible. It says travel, hiking, camping, gym, commuting, yoga. But gym and yoga probably same thing. They just wanna label more stuff. So let's check this out. Boom. Right here, you pull it up all the way up. Whoops, too much up. I think I would hold it upside down and then push this all the way down. Push it all the way down. Boom, finally. Okay, is it going to be collapsible like that? Let's find out. There's a hook right here. Wow, and you got right here a little water bottle, and I love how this right here spins somehow, and it seals it, vacuum seal it in a way. It's like a little cork. Wow, pretty awesome. Still kind of big, but compared to whenever you open it, open this, pull this up, look how big that is. The only annoying part is pushing this thing up and down. I don't even know why this thing is here. I guess it's so, what do you call it, squishy. That's why you want to have it. So you hold it on that, so that way you don't spill it whenever you grab it. Pretty cool design, I like it. Next one is also collapsible, but could be a little bit cooler design in my opinion. Wow, check this out. So soft. And whenever you pull it up, oh wait, you gotta unspin it. Let's close it again. Look at that, canteen almost. Big mouth, so easy to refill it. Pop it open, you have bigger one, but it will be a little bit of problem holding it, squishing it like on the other one. You might spill a little bit, but just be careful. I think it'll be just fine. How cool is this? You want a little bit of water, just squish it together. Still very nice canteen, or if you drank half of it, you don't have to have it as long. You just collapse it halfway. Pretty awesome. That's definitely a very unique bottle opener, but also simple. And the next one, it's actual canteen for camping. Whenever you're out of water, you obviously can collapse it, put it out into your backpack. Look, there's a compass, so a little bit of a survival too. There, anything, okay, and there goes nothing. Wow, look at that, it's a little pouch canteen. So to put it away, all you have to do is just collapse it down. Yeah, super easy to collapse it back down. Check this out. And you close it, it's not gonna pop open again because you get rid of all the air from there. So to open it, you gotta do this. Boom. Quite puffy. Very beautiful canteen over here. So let me know in comments below, which one would you choose? Seems like this one would hold the most water. Maybe not, but I like how this one collapses the most. This one, I like it because it's like a canteen and collapses pretty good. So in a way, this is the most survival one, or camping. But they're all pretty awesome. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below what do you think about this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.